Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're diving into the MSI Prestige 16 AI Evo, a laptop that's turning heads and raising eyebrows. Let's see what this fruit-slaying badass has to offer. First up, let's talk design. The Prestige 16 AI Evo boasts a sleek, aluminum-magnesium alloy chassis that screams elegance and durability. With its clean lines and minimalistic aesthetic, it's a real head-turner in any setting. But it's not just about looks. This laptop means business, quite literally. Powered by Intel's Core Ultra chipset, this beast delivers exceptional performance that'll make even the most demanding tasks a breeze. Whether you're crunching numbers, editing videos, or gaming, the Prestige 16 AI Evo has got you covered. And let's talk about that display. A stunning 16-inch 4K OLED panel that'll leave you speechless. With vibrant colors, deep blacks, and crisp details, it's a joy to look at whether you're watching movies or getting work done. Now, let's talk audio. The Prestige 16 AI Evo doesn't disappoint in this department either. With DTS-tuned speakers that deliver clear, immersive sound, you'll feel like you're right in the action, whether you're listening to music or joining a video call. But what about performance, you ask? Well, let me tell you, this laptop packs a punch. With Intel's Core Ultra chipset, integrated ARC graphics, and a whopping 32 GB of RAM, it's more than capable of handling anything you throw at it. From multitasking to content creation, the Prestige 16 AI Evo breezes through it all with ease. And let's not forget about security. With features like Windows Hello facial recognition, a fingerprint reader, and a physical camera shutter, your data is safe and sound, no matter where you go. Last but not least, let's talk about battery life. The Prestige 16 AI Evo doesn't disappoint in this department either. With over 13 hours of battery life, you can work, play, and everything in between without having to constantly search for an outlet. So there you have it, folks. The MSI Prestige 16 AI Evo is a true powerhouse of a laptop that's ready to take on the world. With its sleek design, stunning display, impressive performance, and all-day battery life, it's a force to be reckoned with. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more product critiques.